This is a construction staging area that used to be all, well, it was grassy covered soil, but the soil around here is really sloppy when it gets wet. So, and we don't like sediment track out. We have a zero tolerance for it. So if we'd let the contractor use this as is, or as it was, we would have had track out onto the road surface here. So what we ended up doing, actually this is the other erosion control guy's project, not mine, but I just happened to come out and see this. So Corey Spall's right at the entrance. It is a little bit worn, but not bad. And that's all crushed base course rock back in there, surrounded by silt fence. There's actually a little pond slash, it's not really a wetland, but little pond down there. So what was done, we have a lot of water coming out of the hillside over here. So what looks like what they did is put in a French drain along the base of the silt fence here to a catch basin that they set. This didn't used to be here, and I'm assuming that it daylights over here somewhere. Well, look at that right there, down into the pond. That at a certain point, a certain elevation, it does flow into a pipe under the road over to a series of stormwater ponds on the other side over there. So this is all very secure, no bare soil. Keeping the clean water from the hillside separate from the work area, getting it right to the pond so everything's bypassed. And then all the vehicle traffic in here is on rock, so the tires aren't picking up sediment, so then there's no track out on the road. So this is really awesome. We're willing to spend the money to do this kind of stuff, and we're going to try to convince our environmental group to let us keep this. And probably eventually pave it for, we always need staging. This actually is a staging and batch plant down below that we built years ago. But we always need staging. So hopefully we get to keep this. Very nice. Nicely done.